Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this beautiful project for Diwali decoration, that is the tea light holder platter, which is made using paper quilling strips, and I have done here ornamental quilling. So you can put total 3 tea lights inside the slot, and I will share each and every step in detail, how to create the base, how to make the slots. And I have used here the combination of yellow, red, orange and white, perfect festive shades. Also I have given the stopper at the end, so you can put anywhere on your desk. You can decorate any corner of your house, and instead of battery operated tea light, you can also use candle tea lights. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am taking some bunch of thick cardstocks, which is 23 by 8 centimeters. I have joined approx 4 to 5 layers of 250 GSM cardstock together to create thick bunch, and I am wrapping it using red color 80 GSM craft paper. If you have cardboard, you can directly use same size cardboard base. So just add glue, burnish it nicely using bone folder and stick it from all 4 sides. So this is done. Now for the finishing, I am covering it with one more red color cardstock of same size. And our beautiful sturdy base is ready. Now here I am taking my candle tea light and wrapping total 4 golden color strips of 5 mm around this to create the ring shape. And the ring is ready. Now here I am taking red color 3 mm strip and just wrapping it around the ring in a diagonal pattern to create nice design. And this is completely ready. Just putting my tea light inside this to check the size, and this is perfect. And with the same method, we need total 3 rings. Now taking back my base, and I am going to start my all 3 rings on the base one by one. So just eyeball it in the center and stick your all 3 rings in equal distance. So this is perfectly attached, and our base for the tea light is ready. Now starting with my first shape of quilling, for this I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. For my all decoration of quilling today I am using 3 mm strips only and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. Similarly we need lots of tight coils in orange color. Now taking back my base and all 4 corners I am going to decorate with these orange tight coils. So in one corner I am going to connect total 11 tight coils. Similarly going to complete the other 2 sides, and after decorating all 4 sides it should look like this. Now for the next shape, here I am taking total 3 1/4 strip of yellow color strips and gather all together, fold it from center and using pointed tweezer just making the scroll. Cutting the excess strip from bottom, level it up and secure all the ends using glue, and the beautiful scroll is ready. Similarly we need total 4 yellow scrolls, 2 red scrolls and 2 light orange scrolls with the same method. Then here I am taking half strip of white and 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. After that I have created one more tight coil using one red and half white strip. Then for next shape I have used 1/4 strip of white color to create these 2 tight coils, and then I have prepared some small light orange color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. So all the shapes are ready to decorate one side. Now taking back my base and start with the decorations using your handmade designs. For the sticking purpose I am using Fevicol here, that is the PVA glue. Wipe out the glue mark immediately using wet brush for the perfect clean work. And this is done. Similarly I am going to decorate right side. Then for the next shape, here I am taking one strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight leaf shape like this. Similarly I have prepared one more. So left side I have decorated with some more elements. Now it's time to decorate the other side. So till that point we have already done. Now for the next part I am going to stick total 4 red color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. to cover this portion. After that I am sticking these tight leaf shapes which we have created. Then I am adding 1/8 strip of red color tight coils, 3 on both sides. After that I am sticking half strip of red and 1/4 strip of white color tight coil on both sides. And then adding these light orange color scrolls which are made using the same method as we did before. And I am covering my leaf shape like this. So this is completely done on both the sides. Now it's time to decorate the center portion. So here around the ring I am adding glue and decorating with yellow color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips. Then the other ring I am decorating with red tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip of red color. Similarly going to decorate the other ring which is on right side. Now I have decorated the upper part. Similarly I am going to show you how to decorate the lower part. So here I have prepared these scrolls which are made using orange color and yellow colors with the same method. So I am adding 2 scrolls on both sides. Then I am adding white color scrolls. After that I am adding tight coil which is made using 1 red and half white color strip. Then I am adding 1/4 strip orange color tight coils, and on top I am adding 1/4 strip yellow color tight coils. Then I am adding half strip light orange and 1/4 strip of yellow color tight coil, 1/4 strip orange tight coil, 1/4 strip light orange tight coil, similarly repeating on left side. Then I am adding half strip white tight coil, 1/4 strip red tight coil, 1/4 strip yellow tight coil and 1/8 strip white tight coil. Repeating on left side. Then I am adding 1 white color leaf shape on both sides. Then 1/4 strip red tight coil on these 2 corners, and the decoration is completely done. Now I am adding few mirrors here and there randomly to enhance the beauty of the work more, and since I have created this for festive season, so there should be some blink, some charms, some glitter, so you can decorate with stones, pearls, mirrors, whatever you have to enhance the beauty of your work little more. Here I am using small size mirrors, and to stick all the mirrors and stones I am using B7000 glue. Then to create stopper, here I am taking 2 golden color strip in 5 mm and making one big tight coil. So in total we need 6 tight coils for our base. Now on back side I am going to connect all these 6 tight coils. Like this, so it have nice base and you can stand it wherever you want with the sturdy base. In this way our beautiful tea light holder platter is completely ready. You can decorate around this platter using some flower petals and create your own rangoli. And instead of battery operated tea light, you can also use these kind of candle tea lights. This is absolutely safe. So just for the sake of video, I am using battery operated tea lights. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Happy Diwali in advance. Thanks for watching. Bye.